In this video, I will show you how to change the default monitor for your PowerPoint presentation when you're in presentation mode. So let's get started. So specifically what we will cover is in the scenario of a multi-monitor setup, how to choose which monitor in presentation mode the presentation defaults to. Additionally, I will show you how to turn on and off presenter view, which is really just the extra notes that you can type into your presentation that would take up the secondary screen. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is a PowerPoint presentation. In fact, this is the one that I was just using. So if we go to this, up at the top in the ribbon, you can see all these different option fields. Make sure that you're on slideshow. And then it's actually very simple. There on the far right here, there is just a button that allows you, a drop-down menu that allows you to choose which monitor in a multi-monitor setup will default to when you go into presentation mode. So right now I have selected primary monitor. That's the one I'm recording right now. And I have presenter view turned off. So this is presenter view. So notice if I go down and click start presentation, then this is the monitor I'm recording on, and you can see the full presentation. I'll escape that. If I turn on presenter view and then maybe I switch the presentation to a different monitor, and then I click start the presentation, notice you don't actually see the presentation anymore. That's because it just started on another monitor, which I'm not recording. However, because I've selected presenter view, what you can see is the notes. And in this case, I have no notes. But this would display there. So if you don't want presenter view, which will use two monitors, you can turn that off. And if you ever find that when you're turning the presentation on, when you're starting your presentation, it's going to the wrong monitor, you just go to slideshow and you pick which monitor you want it to default to. And of course, you can experiment. If you're not sure which monitor is which, you can just click through them, start your presentation, and see if it's going where you expect it to go. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.